First, you have to take out the unity of drums and all toners from the copier. You will see 4 toner pumps on the back cover. It's best to use a flashlight to see these pumps well. Now prepare a Phillips screwdriver and a small flat screwdriver. Release the cable and toner tube protections. Extend the plug, but be careful not to damage it. Now, using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws holding the pump. The pumps are installed in the order from the left side: yellow, cyan, magenta, black. After removing the screws, pull out the tube toner form pump unit. The toner is exactly the yellow toner pump. Often she is responsible for the ADD toner message. You can use the same procedure for each unit pump. I invite you to our e-shop. You can see the address and numbers of pump units. We will be very pleased if you visit our site or leave a comment under this video on YouTube.